Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss batch costing. First of all, we discuss meaning of batch costing. So batch costing is that form of specific order costing under which each batch is treated as a cost unit. So here each batch is treated as a cost unit. In job costing, each job separately treated as cost unit. In batch costing, each batch is treated as cost unit and costs are accumulated and ascertained separately for each batch. So in job costing, costs are accumulated and ascertained for each job. Here in batch costing, costs are accumulated and ascertained separately for each job. So in here each batch. So each batch consists of number of like units. So here produce number of units in one batch. Basic features of batch costing. The first one is each batch so separately treated as cost unit. Next, all costs are accumulated and ascertained for each batch. So all costs accumulated and ascertained for each batch. Next, a separate batch cost sheet is prepared for each batch. Okay. Next, fourth one, the cost per unit ascertained by dividing the total cost of batch by the number of items produced in that batch. So ultimately the cost per unit of batch is divided. So ultimately total cost incurred by number of items produced in that batch. Okay. Next, applications. So batch costing is applied in industries where the similar articles are produced in definite batches for internal consumption in the production of finished goods or for sale to customers generally. So in those type of industries applied. So where similar type of articles are produced definite batches, the batch costing is applied. So now we take examples. Ready-made garments manufacturing industries. So in next, pharmaceutical or drug industries. Third one, spare parts and components manufacturing industries. Toys manufacturing industries. Tire and tubes manufacturing industries. So these type of productions done in batches. Okay. Next, the main important concept is economic batch quantity. So economic batch quantity. It is same as economic order quantity. So here economic batch quantity. So the meaning of batch quantity is optimum quantity batch which should be produced at a point of time that the setup and process cost and carrying cost are together optimized. Here two costs are optimized. One is setup and processing cost. Second one is carrying cost. These two costs are together optimized. This is the economic batch quantity. So first of all, setup and processing cost. So setup and processing cost refers to the cost incurred for setup and processing operations. So these are the setup and processing cost. So these costs relate to inverse relationship. Okay, batches relate to inverse relationship. For example, lower the batch size, lower the setup cost because of few batches. Okay. Next, smaller the batch size, higher the setup cost because of more batches. So depending upon the few batches or more batches. If batch size is larger, then setup cost is lower because few batches. If the batch size smaller, higher the setup cost because of more batches. So next, carrying cost. Carrying cost refer to the cost incurred in maintaining a given level of inventory. Maintaining a given level of inventory. So these are positive relationship between the batch size and carrying cost. So larger the batch size, higher the carrying cost. Smaller the batch size, lower the carrying cost. So ultimately economic batch quantity, trade-off between setup cost and carrying cost. So formula for economic batch quantity, so root of 2as by c. So this is the formula. So here EBQ refers to economic batch quantity, A refers to annual demand, S refers to setup cost per batch, C refers to carrying cost per unit per year. It's important. So carrying cost is calculated on price of the unit. Now we see one example for better understanding. From the following information, calculate economic batch quantity for a company using batch costing. Annual demand for the components 2400 units, setup cost per batch 100 rupees, manufacturing cost per unit 200, carrying cost per unit 6% per annum. So what is the formula? 2as by c. Okay, here 2 into a, how much? 2400 units. Next, setup cost 100 rupees by c, carrying cost, so 6% per annum, so 6% calculated on 200 rupees, that means manufacturing cost per unit. So what is the formula? 2400 into setup cost 100 by carrying cost 200 into 6%, ultimately 200 units. Okay, next. So these are simple problems. Now we discuss this problem also for better understanding. A customer has been ordering 90,000 special design metal columns at the rate of 18,000 per order. So here how many columns? 90,000 special design metal columns. So here is the annual output. Columns rate of 18,000 per order during the cost years. Next, the production cost comprises 120 rupees for material. Production cost how much? 120 rupees for material, 60 rupees for labor, 20 rupees for fixed overhead. Here price given in parts, that means material, labor, overhead. We have to add all those items. Next, it cost 1500 to set up for one run of 18,000 columns. So here setup cost is given 1500, S is given, so A is given here, S is given here, and inventory carrying cost is 15%. So carrying cost is also given percentage 15%. Next, since the customer may buy at least 5,000 columns this year, the company would like to avoid making 5 different production tons. Find the most economic production ton. What is the formula? Root of 2as by c. Here A is given, S is given, carrying cost 15% is given. So 15% calculate on 120 for material, 60 for labor, 20 for fixed overhead. So 180, 200. So 200 into 15%. So this is the carrying cost. We know 2 into 90,000, A into setup cost. So 15% of 200, ultimately 3,000 units. Okay.